today's video is a very exciting video and I'm more excited than that. Today I'll be unboxing something that I ordered from Flipkart like 4 days before, and I was tempted to buy this. It is the Harry Potter complete collection. So I'm a great reader. I like reading books, whether small or big, or like novels or picture books. I love reading books from a young age, and I just saw this set and I was like, I need this right now. I've already read the first two books, but then I still wanted the set. So today I've got the set. I'll be unboxing this. So let's go unbox it. So this is the the back part of this book set. So it has a picture of Hogwarts, then we have these mountains, we have a river, and it looks really beautiful. Okay, the box, it looks really beautiful. So now if you look at the top part right here, you can see something written on it. It's written J.K. Rowling Harry Potter the complete collection. So this set has all of the 7 books from the series. So it's also decorated with some like stars and looks really beautiful. And right here we have these books. Wow, my favorite part. So now I'm going to open it. Here I have like this plastic, so I'm going to like remove it. So here we have all of these books and they have different colors which are like matte. So right here in front of me they are perfectly matte and it's very smooth. If you can see here, the books are numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So now let's take each book and see them. So this is the first book in the whole set. It's Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, and the color is like pretty dark. It's a violet color and it's really beautiful. So I think this is the smallest book in the whole the series. So I'll tell you how many pages this has. It has like 330 pages. That's all in this book, and it's a pretty much small book. And right here we have the picture of Hagrid, Hermione, Ron and Harry in the front. Back we have a note about the book and also Hedwig. So I've already read this book, so pretty much I won't actually read this book, but anyway, it's good and looks really cute. That's what I like about these books. So the second book is the Chamber of Secrets, Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets, which is also one of my favorite books. And movies too. Chamber of Secrets is a great movie. You should also watch it. So this is a dark green themed book. And the front we have Harry with the sword of Gryffindor and the basilisk. And in the back we have a Dobby and also a plot about the book. And the book's a bit larger than the first book. It has like 350 pages or what approximately. And this is also really cute. The color is matte and so it looks cute. So this is the third book. This is The Prisoner of Azkaban. So I'll be starting with this book today, and it's a blue themed book. It looks really cute. It's more like a cyan blue. It's really cute, but right here we have the Patronus deer and Harry with his wand and the Dementors. And the back we have the night bus with some, the plot about the book. This is also a big book, kind of a big book. This has like 460 pages, so it's kind of huge. Might take me a lot of time to read it. So I'm keeping this away. And this. So this is the fourth book, Harry Potter and the Goblet of Fire, and it looks very big. So the theme of this book is a light blue, and on the front we have the dragon and Harry, and on the back we have the trial and the plot of the book. This book is immensely huge and it has like 616 pages. That's a lot of pages. So right here, oh my god, we have the hugest book in the whole series. This is Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. Right here we have the dragon and Harry and his friends on the other dragons, and the theme of this book is actually red, and in the back we have Professor Snape and the plot of the story. This book has more than 800 pages. This is like the hugest book and it's so big. I'm a bit tensed about reading this book, might take me a lot of time. And then we have the second last book, the sixth book, which is Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince. This is an orange and black themed book. In the front we have Dumbledore and Harry in the cave, and on the back we have Draco Malfoy with the plot of the story. This is actually a lot smaller than I think the fifth book. It's smaller. In this we have 530 pages, so approximately, and this is also a very cute book. Then we have the last book in the whole series, that is Harry Potter and the Deathly Hallows. This is also a quite big book, and on the front we have a Voldemort, a Moon and Harry. This is also kind of like similar to the first book, but this is a bit lighter. This is like purple and that was like violet. Here we have Hagrid on his like bike with Harry with the plot of the whole story. This has like 600 pages and this is also quite big. So these are all of the books I get in this set, and this is the box in which you can like store your books, all of your books, and I'm really happy. So today I'll be reading The Prisoner of Azkaban. Anyway, if you are a Harry Potter fan, this is a must-have. You also have the hardcover set, but I think that's a bit too costly because the things are the same, and the only thing that changes is the cover, and the cover of this, it's a bit more hard. This is affordable and it's a really good. So all Harry Potter fans out there, click on the link in the description and order it right now. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with all your fellow Potterheads. Bye for today.